Hello, it's me again, Habibi, with the tutorial about creating a car race racing car race game, or anything you can say about it. This time, let's work with Unity. Let me start opening this Unity. Previously, I was thinking about creating a 3D model of race cars, but I think it will require too much time. So it is better to use some free cars assets from Unity asset stores. So let's create our new project. I will name it some racing game. Click create project. So it is our Unity. Let's import the circuit object into Unity. First, let me import this texture, drag and drop it here, and then this circuit object, drag and drop it here. Let's name it as safe scene main scene. Drag the circuit object into the scene. Reset its position to be 0 on each coordinate. Here is our circuit. I know it is not a good circuit. It is just example. So you can make better circuit. Let's just go with it. I'm going to create a material for the circuit, and the albedo, I choose this texture, float texture, and the shader, I need this diffuse shader. Now drag and drop this into the circuit. Rename it to circuit material. Now we have the circuit. Next thing is we need the cars. So uh, the car we are going to use, we have car engine and also car objects. First thing I need to import car engine car from Unity Asset Store. So I've already downloaded it. It is on my computer. If you don't have it, you can just find it here. Unity standard. Just type standard asset. This one, you just download this one. I have already downloaded it, so I can just import it to the project. If you don't have it, you go to the asset store and find and download it. The things we need to import is, let me deselect them first. I need the is it this standard asset. I need the this utilities. It is so much things here, so we don't need all of them. I need this cross-platform input, then utility and vehicles. And not all the vehicles. I don't need I don't need aircraft. I need car. Okay, we only need these three things: cross-platform input, utilities, and car. Import it. By using this standard asset from Unity, we don't need to code our car engine. We only can use existing codes from Unity Asset Store to use it as our car. Let's go back to the scene. Here, inside the standard asset folder, you open it, find the vehicles, car, go to the prefabs folder. Here we have two kinds of car prefab. Drag and drop this thing into the circuit. I think it is good. So our circuit is too small. Let's scale it up. Let's scale it up to 5 and move this car into the correct position. Where is it? I need the circuit to be more bigger, maybe 10. Okay, it's good, I think. Let me position it a little bit more here. We can start the game and let's see. The car is falling and our camera is not at the correct position. So I drag this camera to this car and set the position of the camera into 0, 0 and 0. Move it back and move it upward. Now let's add a collision. What is it? Mesh collider. We need this mesh collider so the car will not fall down. It should touch the asphalt and run into on it. Now press play button. Now we have our car. We can drive it by using arrow key. Okay. Let's fix camera position. I need it to be more upward. Let's try it again. I think it's good. We can drive it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The circuit is crazy. I know. This it is just for fun. Okay, we have our car engine. I know this car object is ugly, but we're not going to use this car. We can hide this car, and instead we are going to import some other free asset from asset store. For example, we can find free car. You can find the free ones like this. Okay, this asset has two type of car. I think it is good for us. Let's import it. I already have downloaded it, so I can only just import it. Open this vehicles folder, Jeep, and here is the Jeep. Go to the scene, Jeep, drag it here, scale it up, I need to put it inside this car hierarchy, then reset its position into 0, 0 and 0. Let me drag it, move it upward. Now we have our Jeep. Then we need to hide this actual car object. This is the car object. We can turn off the mesh renderer so we cannot see it anymore. We can hide it. Also the wheels. It has too much object. We need to hide them one by one. The wheels. It's good. Oh, what is this thing? Headlights. Let's hide this too. And this thing. This object, hide it. Okay, we are set. Now let's start it again. Here is our car. It is our Jeep. We have our car, the player car. What about the opponent? It is a race car game, so we need an opponent. Some car that we have to go faster than that car. So on our next video, I will show you how to add another car into this circuit and how to add AI feature on it. So it will be the opponent for this game. Stay tuned and see you later.